And Michael Wolfe appeared in court again today. The Yamhill County man accused in the murder and disappearance of his biological son and the boy's mother was back before his judge with his legal team talking about evidence.
And our Emily Burris was in court for that hearing. She joins us live in Yamhill County with a look at where is this case even headed, Emily?
Yeah, good afternoon, guys. We're getting a better idea of how much longer it may be that we have hearings like we had today. Wolfe did not enter a plea. Once again, he appeared on video, sitting very quietly, showing little emotion as he has done before. But some of the discussions today are now giving us a better clue of when this case may really begin to get started.
Good afternoon. This is Judge Easterday. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can.
Michael Wolfe back in court as his two attorneys discussed how to handle an immense amount of evidence in the murder and kidnapping case of Wolfe's biological son, Billy Fretwell, and his mother, Karissa.
Right now we're receiving discovery from the state, but of course, and understandably, we don't have all the discovery yet.
Wolfe faces multiple charges. His hearing comes just days after friends and family of the young mother and son from Salem held a celebration of life, honoring and remembering the two lives lost.
It's definitely a very heart-wrenching story that kind of touches anyone that has a son at that age, because it's honestly something that people don't want to hear about because it's so hard to deal with it.
When Karissa and Billy went missing back in May, attention quickly turned to Wolfe, Billy's biological father. He was arrested long before their bodies were eventually discovered on a rural property in Yamhill County, several miles from his home.
Their lives were took way too young, and we will miss both of them. Weeks
of investigation and evidence now being shared as the case moves forward.
Thank you, Art.
And there is some other evidence now that we are continuing to follow up on. I did check in with the district attorney today because while we know Karissa died from a gunshot wound, we still don't know how Billy was killed. That further testing, the DA tells me, has not been finished yet. They don't know when exactly that might be made available. We do know that Wolfe will be back in court next month to follow up on a couple of the motions his attorneys discussed today. And then as for that discovery, that evidence sharing process, the judge is giving them several months to do that, so they'll be back for a status check the first week of October. Live in Yamhill County, Emily Burris, KOIN 6 News.
Thanks for